Welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Today we're working on this Bonney Vise. So sit back, relax, and watch how I restore this Bonney Vise.
Here's what the vise looks like before I started. This is after degreasing and before evapor-rust. The vise is going to get a once over with the Dremel with the wire wheel after a bath in evapor-rust. With my orbital sander, I will use 120 grit all the way up to 400 grit to sand off the edges and flat parts of the vise. I'm using a needle file to clean up the threads. Using my anvil, I'm going to straighten the handle. I'm sanding out all the marks I made with the hammer. The vise is all cleaned up and ready to be blued. After degreasing the anvil, I will scuff everything up with steel wool. I am applying the bluing solution.
This is cleaned up, but I did antique it. Roughed it up with 180 sandpaper after painting.
This is the vise before I started, and this is the vise afterwards attached to my bench.
Well, there you have it, folks. Hopefully you enjoyed the restoration of my Bonney Vise. Had a lot of mistakes on it. Tried to blue everything, and that just didn't work out as well as I wanted to. It's been pretty moist and damp, and flash rust was killing me, so I had to clean everything back up and repaint it, scuff it down with 180 grit sandpaper to give it that antique feel, and then I covered everything in Johnson paste wax to hopefully stop any of the rust. Obviously you saw where the handle, I did actually keep the gun bluing on it. So it looks pretty good. It's going to be a vise that I use on a regular basis because I can attach it right to my bench. So please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Robert J. Foust, and also leave comments below. I enjoy everybody's feedback. I recently hit 200 subscribers, which is awesome to me. So thank you to everybody that subscribed or even watches my videos. I really do appreciate this. This is a great hobby I have, and I enjoy what I do. So hopefully you find something you enjoy doing, or you're part of the tool restoration community. But whatever you're doing, whether it's right or wrong, keep doing it. And